Hey guys, this is Kelly with In Rhythm coming at you with a couple updates today. Our staff has been working tirelessly over the last week to prepare our new online lesson platform. With Zoom integration, we are now able to offer a student portal on our website that you can log directly into and be connected directly to your instructor via video chat for your weekly lesson. This video will explain how to set it up and what to expect. From your computer, navigate to your email and find the studio email that was sent to you. Halfway down, you will see password setup link. Click here to change your password. Once you click there, it will navigate you to a screen where you can set your password. You can make this anything you'd like it to be. Agree to the terms of service, and then update your password. This will then redirect you. You can now close this window. From an internet browser, go to inrhythmpercussion.com. And you'll see online lessons at the top. Click on that tab and scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see the login portal. Using your email address that you registered with the studio and your password that you just set, you can log into your student portal. From your student portal, you'll see all sorts of different options. You see your calendar, which will show you all of your upcoming lessons, your contact info in case you wanted to get a hold of the studio or update your personal info, attendance and notes in case your instructor ever leaves any notes for you or practice notes, etc., and any online resources that they've uploaded for you to look at. From here, navigate to the calendar tab, and you will see all of the lessons coming up on the calendar for your child. You can click on a lesson and you will see the lesson details. Under location, you see it says Zoom lesson. Click on this to be connected to Zoom and to open up the application. If this is your first time doing so, you will have to download and run Zoom. Once it is installed, you will see this screen waiting for the host to start this meeting. As soon as your instructor joins the session, this will open up into a video chat. So at the time of your lesson, be waiting here on this screen with your instrument out, your materials, and your books out, and be ready for your lesson. From all of our staff here at In Rhythm, we want to thank you for your continued patience with all of this. If there's any connectivity issues, problems, or concerns that arise, please reach out to our office and we'll be glad to help you through them. We look forward to seeing your kids next week online.